Welcome to Passive Profit Plan. Today's video is about social media mastery, driving sales with affiliate marketing. If you're an affiliate marketer looking to harness the power of social media to drive sales and boost your affiliate earnings, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive into effective strategies and techniques to help you become a social media master. Let's get started. The first step to social media mastery as an affiliate marketer is to choose the right platforms. Research and identify which social media platforms your target audience frequents the most. Focus your efforts on those platforms to maximize your reach and engagement. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, or LinkedIn, understanding the unique features and audience demographics of each platform is essential to tailor your content and approach effectively. The second key to social media mastery is to create compelling and valuable content. Your content should resonate with your target audience and provide them with insights, solutions, or entertainment related to your niche and the products you promote. Utilize a mix of formats, such as engaging videos, captivating images, informative blog posts, or interactive polls and quizzes. Experiment with different content types to discover what resonates best with your audience and drives the most engagement. Building an engaged community is another crucial aspect of social media mastery. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, asking questions, and initiating conversations. Show genuine interest in their opinions, needs, and challenges. Actively participate in relevant groups, forums, and discussions within your niche to establish yourself as a trusted authority. By nurturing relationships with your audience, you'll build brand loyalty and increase the likelihood of conversions. The fourth key to social media mastery is leveraging influencer partnerships. Collaborating with influencers who align with your niche can help you tap into their established audience and gain credibility and exposure. Research and reach out to influencers who have a genuine interest in your niche and whose values align with your brand. Whether it's through sponsored posts, product reviews, or collaborations, influencer partnerships can significantly amplify your reach and drive sales. Secret number 5 is to use social media advertising strategically. Paid advertising can help you reach a wider audience, target specific demographics, and drive targeted traffic to your affiliate offers. Familiarize yourself with the advertising features and targeting options available on each platform. Set clear goals, track your campaign's performance, and optimize them based on the data you gather. By leveraging social media advertising effectively, you can significantly boost your affiliate sales. The final key to social media mastery is to continually analyze and optimize your strategies. Monitor your social media analytics to gain insights into your audience's behavior, content performance, and conversion rates. Identify patterns, learn from your data, and make data-driven decisions to refine your social media strategies. By continuously optimizing your approach, you'll be able to stay ahead of the competition and maximize your affiliate marketing success. Congratulations! You've learned the secrets to social media mastery for affiliate marketers. By choosing the right platforms, creating compelling content, building an engaged community, leveraging influencer partnerships, strategically using social media advertising, and constantly analyzing and optimizing your strategies, you can drive sales and achieve affiliate marketing success. Also, if you want to start making awesome videos like this one just by adding text and generating fully customized videos with a few clicks of a button. There is also a link in the description to join Pictory so you can start creating awesome videos instantly with a free trial. Thanks for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in your affiliate marketing journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others.